In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your settings on the lock and unlock options on a 2018 Honda Accord without navigation. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the menu button right here and then use this scrolling wheel to go down to settings and then go down to vehicle settings, and then we're going to select door and window setup. And from here you can see auto door lock and auto door unlock. Now if you click on auto door lock, you can select at which instance you want the vehicle to lock, and with speed means when you start taking off it'll lock, and when you shift from park it'll automatically lock. So you can choose which one you prefer and then select it, and then it'll tell you what's been selected. And for the auto door unlock, you can have all the doors unlock when the driver's door opens, all the doors when shifted to park, or all the doors when the ignition switch is off. And you can just choose your preference here. To exit out, just hit this back button, and now you're back to the home screen. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.